Hey everybody, this is Matt at Sparkle Farm. Doing a fix on my Have-A-Heart trap. This thing's pretty old and I lost or it broke, but that part. So I'm fixing it with an old saw blade. So that's gonna go right here. It's the bait platform, but so I get it level, I took a set of vice grips and I hold the trip mechanism with the vice grips. So now let's just weld it up. Oh, and so that doesn't happen again, I'm going to tack a little washer onto here. So it'll still move plenty easy but won't fall out. All right, let's get to it. It ain't going to go anywhere. Alright, so let's unclamp it and see if it works. But yeah, super easy with this welder. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of grease or something on the trip here. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, so this is just a short video from Sparkle Farm. Hit subscribe if you like these kind of simple videos. Alright, catch you on the next one.